I asked you to stay long on gold till the time it trades above 1764.63, and precisely look at this, it is reversed from 1763 and bounced back and achieved 1788 levels. I hope you all profited. Similarly, US 30 and US 100 both achieved a high. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and then Dow Jones. Next update on this will be up before the with the Asia session tomorrow early in the day in the morning. So do watch that also. Look at the hourly charts on gold, and it has achieved a high. It has almost formed a double top there. The levels which it has achieved couple of days back, you can see here the levels. It has formed a double top and now trying to retrace it from there. You remember I had told 1788.91 zone should be a very strong resistance. It is precisely retracing back from the same levels, now trying to retrace back on the downside. Now where is the support? See, it is trying to come back to this zone. This is the first support zone, which is at around 1774.75. This is going to be the first support, and this is going to be a very strong support. So if and only if it trades below 1770, I will recommend you to go short. Else till the time it trades above 1770, you can again take a long entry. So far it appears, but look at this, it has also formed a double top. That is a worry point for me. Let's have a more detailed look what happens next. The direction movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is trying to converge. RSI is overbought here, looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, see, it has formed a reversal indication here. Only if it goes and trades above 1784, you can go long there at around 1783.84. Else it can try to drop a bit. How far it can come back to? It can come back till towards 1774 and 1770. These are the two strong support. Below 1770, yes, it can drop a little. Then the support level should come into picture at 1765, 1760 levels, and below that it might crash heavily on the downside. I don't expect it to break below 1764.63, but yes, if it does, we may see a very good break on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. It is looking to converge. Stochastic is overbought. Now it is looking. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI is near to top. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to retrace. It may come back till towards, see, the channel there. Look at the channel. It has got its support precisely at first at around 1775 and then 1772. So only short entry I will recommend if you see it dropping below 1770 levels. Till the time it trades above 1770, it can again try to bounce back with the next candle. Direction movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and it is still bullish. RSI is near to top. So see, today morning precisely same levels. See, this is the beauty of the analysis. Then I love it when the market precisely honors the level, and mostly it does, as those who follow me on regular basis must be recalling. So now see the support there, precisely there at 1774, 72 and 70 levels. So only short entries below 1770. Overbought on the stochastic here. See, the 3-hour charts and the 4-hour charts both are overbought, and hence it may try to drop a little, but it can again bounce back because see, the MACD is again trying to cross over here, and the crossover will bring more bullishness there, it appears. RSI is again near to top. And if you look at the daily charts, so look at the daily chart, and beautifully it has formed the double top there and retraced. See, also it traded outside the Bollinger Bands and hence getting the pullback. Now look at this closer here at 71, 72, 3 candles. This candle in fact getting it reversed, and these 2 candles closing precisely at same levels. It appears that it may try to come back again to these levels. There is a high probability that it may, but only short entries below 1770 and then below 1764. Below 1764, that definitely we can see a stronger break. So till the time it trades above 1770, do not short. I think the high is done. Be watchful of there at 1788. If it breaks past this, definitely further movement can be expected. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD is bullish. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, do not go short until it is above 1770. In fact, below 1770, the support there, as I shared in the morning, 1764 is there. Do not be watchful of 1764. Below 1764, this is a sign of extreme bearishness. If it drops below 1764, go short and it is going to crash. On the upside, I think the high is done, 1788 levels. But yes, again, if you see it trading beyond 1783, 84, yes, you can go long again just catch the $4 move. Probably it may try to get the resistance in 1788, else the next target is 1791, and by tomorrow we may see it achieving 1800 also. So take care, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Now look at Tech 100 chart, higher lows, and look at this. So consider this as an expanding triangle. When I say expanding triangle, this is a bullish move, and yes, if you see it trading. So for the day, a short entry below 13,240, but remember 13,220 and 13,200. So yes, it has got a support at 13,220 and then 13,200. Only if it breaks below 13,200 and sustains, you can expect that it is going to crash, else it may try to bounce back. Be watchful of 13,240, 220 and 200 levels. Now look carefully at these charts. On the hourly chart, support there at about 13,200 levels, and now it is trying to give you expanding triangle. This is a sign of bullishness there. The support at 13,250, 240 is strong. Do not short anything till it is about 13,240, and yes, till that, and yes, you can go long at 13,300. Beyond that, definitely it will give you a stronger move for 13,350, 400 and plus levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish, RSI looking downwards. Similar is the story on the 2-hour charts. Look at this, higher lows, lower highs, trying to consolidate. Any breakout above 13,300 is the good entry to go long, then 13,320, and then beyond that it will hit 13,400 levels. Be watchful on the downside, be watchful of 13,200 to 20 zone. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is looking downwards, MACD is looking to converge, RSI is overbought and looking downwards. Similar is the story on the 3-hour charts. It has formed a tail there, it has achieved the low, and this time it can give you, with the market open, it can try to take it till towards 13,400. Be watchful. And on the 4-hour charts, similar is the story. And on the daily charts, let's come back to the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, this, after 2 retracement candles, it is a bounce back. And also look at this, this candle has left a smaller wick there on the candle, and the high is there at 13,400. So yes, it can drop below 13,200 also, 13,100, 140 and 100 levels. Be watchful, and yes, it can achieve those levels, and on the high side 13,400 is a very good support. So go short at 13,240, expect it to, but till it is above 13,200 you can expect it can again continue to bounce back. So only you will get 20 to 40 points, and hence you have to trade with a stop loss. Just immediately put a stop loss. Even if you see 5-10 points of movement, let it get close and be watchful of 13,200. Only if it breaks 13,200, then we can see a good break for 13,160, 140 and 13,100. Be watchful of 13,100. Below 13,100 you can expect it to drop more, and then it is going to act bearish. And on the upside, yes, if you see it trading beyond 13,300 now, go long, then 13,320, 350 and 400. Be watchful of 13,400. So be cautious of 13,400 on the upside, be cautious of 13,100 on the downside. And look at the hourly charts on US30, you will find 32,800 definitely a good support, and then 32,750. Be watchful of 32,750 levels. Only if it breaks 32,750, then you can go short for 32,700. This is a very strong support. Below that it is going to crash again on the downside. Remember, it has formed a double top there, and yes, it is trying to trade with a drop. So be cautious. And yes, it is also giving you expanding triangle here, which is a bullish signal. So yes, 32,800, 32,760, 750. Yes, you can go long here, but a good long entry I will recommend is above 32,850. Now beyond 32,850, go long, and then you can expect it to rise more. 32,900 is the first target, then 32. It may try to breach past 33,000 today. Be cautious there on the downside. If you see it trading below 32,750, go short. So in between 32,850 and 750, do not trade. And similar is the story on the 3-hour charts, 2-hour charts as well. Look at this, it has consolidated, and now see it is giving you expanding triangle with the flat support at around 32,790-800 zone, and it is trying to reverse. Probably once you see it trading beyond 32,850 levels, you can go long. Then 32,900, 33,000 is the next target, and this time it is going to give you a stronger breakout, which might take it till towards, on the upside, till towards 33,000 and 33,200 levels. Be cautious. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is looking downwards, MACD is comfortable, and similar is the story on the 4-hour charts. It is overbought though. So yes, also it has formed a double top. Also this is a megaphone pattern. After this it is trying to consolidate, and hence you can go long only if you see it trading beyond 32,850 levels, and rather I will say if you see it trading beyond 32,900, See, 32,900 is a very strong resistance on the upside. If it sustains above 32,900, go long, and then you can expect that it is going to break past 33,000. So yes, you can go long at 32,850, but be watchful of 32,900, and then on the upside we can expect it to break past 33,000. Be aware of 32,900 levels. On the downside, go short at 32,750, but be watchful of 32,700. So largely saying 32,700 to 900, you have to be cautious. Above and below, definitely stronger moves can be seen. 4-hour charts is near to overbought, but it has a good scope for it to still rise. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the candle is again the same. It has seen the higher highs previous candle and almost the flat bottom out there. It is trying to trade. So yes, if it tries to drop from here, we can see a good drop, and then it can try to come back till towards 32,750. You can go short there, then 32,700, 600, and then below that you can expect a sharper drop on the downside. So be cautious of that, and till the time it trades below 32,900, I will not recommend you to go long, go short. And yes, if it drops below 32,750, you can go short, and above on the upside 32,850, you can go long. Take your positions accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP singles group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.